Is there a girl in your life that you just can't get out of your head? Someone that you are super into, but you just don't know if she actually feels the same way? Well, we're here to help. In today's video, we are going to give you 17 simple things that you can do to make any girl miss you. And trust us, she won't be able to stop thinking about you. So if this video sounds like what you are looking for, don't do anything. Just keep on watching, like and subscribe. The first thing you need to do is to match her energy. To entice a woman and keep her interested, it is important that you get the dynamic of the relationship right. If you are giving 80% in the relationship whilst she is only giving 20%, well, it's not going to work out in your favour. In fact, to get a woman interested, less is more. I know, it sounds kind of counterintuitive, but women respect men who respect themselves. And a man who is chasing after a woman and is needy and clingy is not going to be very well respected. But if you only ever match or give less energy than what she is putting in, it shows that you have super high standards and you respect yourself. And most times this is super attractive to women and she will keep coming back for more. Be confident. Genuine confidence is alluring and sexy. Having true confidence means that you are completely comfortable in your skin and you know your worth. You don't look to others for validation or to boost your self-esteem. If a girl can see that you are already happy and confident in yourself, she knows that you're not going to go out of your way to chase her. So she will make more of an effort to chase you. This one should not come as a surprise. Have some mystery. Mystery keeps people engaged. In relationships, it keeps the other yearning for more. Telling a woman too much too soon is a bad move. Although it can sometimes be tempting to do so, it is better to take things at a slower pace. So keep her curious and wanting more. Keep some distance. Don't spend every waking moment with your crush. This can come across as being clingy and a little suffocating. You have likely heard of the phrase, distance makes the heart grow fonder. Well, there's some truth to it. A girl can't miss you if you are always around, so make sure that you give her the time and the space to reflect on you and think about you. But remember, don't be overbearing. Don't be glued to your phone. Just like it can be tempting to want to spend all of your time with your crush, it can also be tempting to want to text or to call her all of the time. Don't do this. And just like the previous post, if you create some distance between you and a girl, including online, it's going to naturally make her miss you more. Put yourself first. This might seem selfish, but part of being the best version of yourself is to put yourself first. Make sure that you, and only you, are meeting your needs. By doing this, you won't be looking to her to fulfill any needs, which can be really unattractive at times. Prioritize your health and mental well-being so you can be the absolute best version of yourself and someone that she truly misses when you are not around. Be the fun guy. Be the fun person to be around. That means you can go on some exciting dates and don't be afraid to engage in those fun activities or even to try something daring and something new. How you choose to spend the time that you are with your crush, this will massively determine whether she misses you or not. So make it easy. Make sure to keep things fun and entertaining and you will find she misses you greatly. Be strong in your resolve. Strength is a really admirable and attractive quality in a man. We're not talking about physical strength, although that is an attractive trait too, but rather strength in your resolve. You have strong morals and values and you don't compromise on these things. Strength is a virtue which will take you far in life. And when a woman sees that you are strong, she is far more likely to respect, desire, and miss you. Meet her needs, not her wants. This requires that you are attentive and intuitive. If you meet a woman's needs, what she intrinsically desires and yearns for, well, she's going to be sure to miss you. Sometimes women themselves don't even know what they need, and this is where you come in. Women want to be in touch with their emotions when they spend time with you. They need to feel. So she will keep coming back for more of you when you meet her deepest needs while still leaving space for something more. Listen to her. Listening to a woman is perhaps one of the greatest gifts that you can give her. Your time and attention is invaluable. Setting aside time and being a safe space for her to share her heart and to open up to you will mean the world to her. Being a great listener is definitely something she will miss when you are not there for her to talk to. Don't rush. You don't have to speed through a relationship. In fact, you shouldn't do this. Rushing a relationship or trying to put a label on it too quickly can give off that impression that you are needy, desperate, and clingy. So take things at a leisurely pace. Let her know that you're thinking about her sometimes, but not all of the time. And don't be the one to always initiate plans or to make contact. Take her lead. Slow and steady wins the race, and it will make her miss you too. Give her space. Give your crush space. The last thing that a woman wants is an overbearing partner who just will not leave her alone. It's super important that you give a woman time to think, to reflect, and spend time with people other than you. Too much too soon could put a girl off before she even gives your relationship a chance. Surprise her. Surprises are a great way of creating concrete memories and leave your girl yearning for more. Surprises can take a number of forms. It could be a little gift or a handwritten love letter. It could be a day out at the local park or going to watch the sunset together. Think of fun and endearing ways that you can surprise her. She will feel treasured by you and she will definitely miss you when you are gone. Let her be her own person. Don't try and change her. If you want a woman to miss you, you have to accept her for who she is. Never try and force her to align with your viewpoints or ideas. And this is likely, it's going to be a massive turn-off. And on the flip side, if a girl knows that you love and accept her exactly for who she is, she will feel safe with you and she will definitely miss you when you are gone. Be trustworthy. When a woman feels that she can trust you completely, you will become a safe space for her and someone that she can rely on. She will miss your safety, the protection, and reliability when you're not around. And if she knows that she can always depend on you and call on you when she needs you, you will be almost impossible to ever forget. Make great memories, like we just mentioned. What makes you miss someone? More often than not, it's the memories that you make with this person. When you remember someone, you will usually think of the time that you spent together with them and the memories that you shared. Make sure that the time that you spend together is special and memorable. Make her feel heard, seen, and valued. Take her on new experiences and make a big effort to do intentional things with her. Whenever she isn't with you, you want her to be reflecting on all of the happy moments that you have shared together, and this is a way to make her miss you. Be intentional. Make sure that you are always intentional in your interactions with your crush. Women like to feel valued and treasured. Send her good morning and good night texts. This lets her know that she is the first and last thing that you think about. Surprise her with sweet personal gifts from time to time and tell her exactly what it is that you appreciate and admire about her. If she feels like a diamond in your presence, she will be sure to miss you whenever you are not around. Well, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching and be sure to check out our other videos for tips and tricks on how to be an unforgettable guy. Until next time, see you soon. Bye.